Look at this, guys. This is the view from our balcony of our new apartment in Toronto. Isn't it beautiful? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amarta Rupani, and finally we are moved from Montreal to Toronto, and in today's video I am going to give you the tour of this beautiful fully furnished apartment. And guys, once again it is arranged by Sanjay's company, and we are going to live in here until we buy our own house. And there are certain things to be done before and after moving to another province that I will be sharing with you guys as well. In my upcoming videos I will definitely share my experience of buying house, that how to buy a house in Canada. So anyways guys, in this video I'm going to share the complete moving process from Montreal to Toronto. So without wasting any time, let's start. Okay guys, so we are in the storage and we are here to pick our boxes and other stuff that we need to take to Toronto tomorrow. We rented one storage unit in Montreal to store our those items which are not going to be required in our new apartment of Toronto. Because the apartment we are gonna go to is also furnished and it is also given by Sanjay's company. So anyways guys, we are going to take this stuff to home, pack everything because today is the last day. Okay, so this is the stuff that we are going to need to pack our stuff, such as iMac box, Vitamix, Roti Meri. Okay, so we are here, and guys, this is our current apartment which is in Montreal downtown. We lived here just for a month because of Sanjay's work project extension, and it is also a furnished apartment. I've already given the tour of this place, so guys, you can check out the video. The link is given in the description box below. We are done with our packing, and that's all we need for our next apartment. And guys, the stuff that we have in storage in Montreal, that we are going to take after 2 to 3 months when we will buy our own house. And right now I am going to cook chicken handi because we are super hungry, and we have ordered naans because I'm not going to make rotis or anything because I am super tired after packing and cleaning everything. So yeah, and tomorrow we are going to leave early in the morning so that we can reach on time because we need to pick up keys around 4 p.m. So that's an update for now, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Till then, bye bye. Next morning, we woke up around 9 o'clock, and after getting ready, we left at 10 o'clock. One more hour to Toronto, and then I will give you the tour of our new apartment. And guys, we are super excited to go there. That's our building. Now we are gonna go in there and take our keys. And guys, as I said, we are super excited to live in there for 3 months. So yeah, let's go in there, take keys, and let me give you the quick tour of our new apartment. Parking is also included. So this is the entrance, and beside that, and there is closet. See what's in there. And guys, it has iron table, has vacuum cleaner, sweep, mop, some hangers, and some storage stuff, iron. And after this closet, there's mirror. It's a big size of mirror. This is office. And over here, this is bathroom, this is laundry, and this is bedroom. So let's just have a look. Basket for laundry, and this side they have shelves. So they have very good kind of storage. I'm super happy about that. Like always, my most favorite part of the house, kitchen. Microwave, oven, stove, this is fridge, freezer, cookware, we have dishwasher, some other useful stuff. Spoons, forks. Some pans and toaster. So they have some bowls, jug, and big cookware. These are glasses. Some more glasses, plates, cups, bowls. Coffee machine, kettle, and this is empty. This is empty too. I'm not sure what's in there because it's too high for me. I'm gonna ask Sanjay to open this for me. Now let's move on to the living room. And they have remote for those shades. Let's see. Let's just have a look at the view. Guys, let me just show you the most beautiful view of Toronto. And as you can see, there is swimming pool as well, which is closed right now due to COVID-19. The thing is that I can see it from my window. Like, view is crazy. Like, this is amazing. I am in love with this apartment. Okay guys, so that was quick tour of our new apartment, and we are super excited to live in here, and I am loving the view. Guys, I can't wait to see this view in the night time. And guys, we are going to call everyone that we are here in Toronto already so that they can come over and meet with us, because we came to this apartment directly. We did not meet with anyone. So our family is coming over to see us, meet with us. And guys, I'm tired now because it was 6 hours of drive and we could not sleep well in the night time as well. First, we are gonna go for groceries and then we'll start cooking until everybody comes over. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. And if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel, because there's a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care and I'll see you again.